I'm so high. I am so high. Alright, so what it. Hold on. Get this gum out my mouth. Be a little professional. Alright, so what is up, YouTube fans? Swag Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another how I would style video today. Yes, this is another how I would style video today, and I'm doing this late at night, hence the do-rag. I did just get a haircut at the barbershop, so I got laid the waves down, brushed it and everything, so do-rags on, hoodies on. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Make sure you go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for your boy, because it helps my videos get recognized throughout the search engine, basically on YouTube. So whenever you hit that thumbs up button, my video is pushed up fairly enough to where it can get noticed by other people whenever they search search whatever they're looking for, and throughout YouTube, whatever, and it may pop up randomly, I don't know. But just make sure you go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for your boy, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And most importantly, you can leave a comment down below if you're liking what I'm doing and want to see more videos on how to style something, or got a question on if something would work, or whatever the question may be. You can ask me down below in the comment section. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so today, how I style Jordan 5 Raging Bulls. Shoe came in. Now it took me a while to try to come up with a fit, because ultimately the shoe is already a loud shoe and it pops immediately. It is probably the first thing that people are going to notice from your fit. So let me just go ahead and show y'all. Alright, so you see it, the Raging Bull 5. Now I don't know if the camera is doing the shoe any justice right now, because this is a red shoe. I can't remember the last time this shoe actually released, but it's been a while, and it's a very iconic colorway from the 5s. I wouldn't put this in my top 5, but it's very iconic when it comes to the 5s, because it was part of that countdown pack. And it's all over red shoe, you guys. It's all over red shoe. So like I said, it pops, so it's gonna be a little tricky if you're trying to style this, because you don't want to, because with the outfit you gotta tone down most of the colors that you're thinking about using. You want to go kind of just neutral. You want to just keep it plain and simple. Not plain, but just simple. Just simple enough to get the fit off. Now, just to get into a little overview of the shoe, you do have some nice rough suede. It's okay, nothing perfect, but it's all right. You got your lace lock. That comes with it, red laces, no extra laces came with the shoe. You got the 3M tongue, got the icy blue bottom instead of assumed yellow with that red Jumpman in there. Then you got the black wrapping around the shoe, and then on that shark tooth you have red and white with black, and then the 23 right here, if y'all can see it, the 23 stitched in red and black Jumpman on the back, and on the inside, hopefully y'all can see that, you have a white Jumpman. So that's the little overview of the shoe. Oh, and one more thing, you got the Air Jordan backwards stitched in on the inside of the tongue. So that is the little overview of the Jordan 5. So I'm gonna set that to the side. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the outfit. Alright, so like I was saying, you guys, you want to try to keep it simple. you don't want to try to overdo it or overthink it. So I went with two outfits. One, I went with my Supreme Betty Boop. Excuse me, my Betty Boop tee. I can't think of the correct color. I want to say it's a teal color. It's a teal color. Let me see. Teal. Let me look it up because I want to give y'all the correct color. Yeah, you can say. Yeah, you can. Yeah. We gonna rock with teal. It's kind of like a lightish, bluish, greenish color. So teal shirt, and it has some red in there, white, black, Betty Boop, black and white. So that's that. And then I went with black jeans. The jeans are from PacSun, and the tee is Supreme, as you can see. So I went with that. That's my first outfit selection. Now you can go with blue jeans, but I went with black jeans ultimately because I wanted to kind of tone down. I wanted to keep the colors toned down. I didn't want to do anything that was gonna kind of mess up the flow, with the colors. I want everything to kind of coordinate. But you can go with blue jeans, but if you go with blue jeans, you're gonna have to take that extra step of trying to find a tee that will complement the rest of the outfit well. So if you do blue jeans, I would probably do like you can do a white tee, some type of graphic white t-shirt, but nothing too crazy. You can go with other colors as well. I was able to find white tees, black, the teal, brown, and it's another color that it was like a sage color shirt that I had that went well with the five. So you can always just try it out as well, just try on and see how it looks. But those colors I did find that they went well with the red that was used on the five. So anyways, but like I was saying, I'm getting off topic. You can go with blue jeans if you want, but I went with black jeans to kind of keep it coordinated and whatnot. So that's that outfit. I think it looks well. Like I said, it's simple, not over the top. Everything just goes, and that's the outfit you get. Like I said, with the fives on your feet and with that color, the pop, and that's going to be the first thing people see. So simple. You don't want to do nothing crazy, and you can throw on a sweatshirt or something on over that if you need it be, or whatever. If it's raining, you can make it happen. It can look good. Anything gray, black, or gray, black, brown, green, sage, something in that color, color family, in that family of colors, or whatever you want to call it. Anywho, moving on to the second outfit. The second outfit, I grabbed a black tee. It is a Supreme Mariah Carey Christmas tee that I got last year around December. I think it was like a week before, or maybe 2 weeks before Christmas that they released. Still the PacSun black jeans because I just feel like black jeans go well with this because of the bottom right here with that black. I just feel like it goes well, and then with that black jump in, I just feel like it just goes well. Like I said, you want everything to flow, you don't want it to mash. So the black tee, as you can see, that the black tee and the black jeans and the fives, this is probably by far the cleanest simple look that you can probably go for when wearing these. So like I said, you can make it work. You just gotta see what works for you and what flows well. So but me personally, I think this with the black tee, the black jeans, and the fives just go well. So those are my two outfits that I would style the 5s with. So hopefully this gives you guys some type of idea of how to style your Air Jordan 5s, the Raging Bull. So hopefully this helps out. If it did, leave me a comment down below saying yes it did. If you do need any type of help styling another sneaker or Air Jordan 1, I don't have any 2s anymore because I sold them, but any other Jordan 3s, 4s, 5s, Adidas shoes, Yeezys, or whatever, if you need me to do a video on how to style those, just leave a comment down below in the comment section. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in, checking out this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys that tuned in, and look out for more videos on the way. I'm gonna try to keep these going, and I'm gonna try to just post when I can. I know I've been posting little small videos here and there, so just continue to tune in and support your boy. I appreciate your support. And like I said in the beginning, make sure you smash that thumbs up button because it helps me out, helps my videos out, helps the channel out. And yeah, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And to keep up with me, since I'm not on here all the time, you can follow my social media. I do all the links are pretty much down below in the description. I do post videos from TikTok, and I'll put them on here. I'm not a TikToker, but when I'm feeling it, I'll post on there. But yeah, but my Instagram is mainly where I'm very active at, so follow me on Instagram. Twitter, you can follow me, you'll see some funny retweets and whatnot. But I'm rambling on right now, so and it's late, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Swag kicks them out. Peace.